Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix shadow ban on TikTok on iPhone. So let's begin right away. For the very first step is to open TikTok and then post contents with the hashtag shadowban. Also, you can go to your profile, click on the three lines on the top right, and then privacy, and make sure that your account is not on private and all of the settings in this section is set to everyone. For example, following list, duet, stitch, comments, and many more. If these steps doesn't fix your problem, I can suggest you this one last step. Click on the three lines once again on your profile and then scroll down until you see report a problem. Click on that compose button and click it once again, and then in this section you can type your feedback or your concern with regards the shadow banning issue. So that's it. Your problem now should be solved. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.